Hello there, angels, friends. So, here I am again. It's Uhimi Sama. Yun kasi yung ginagamit kong name on my social media, on my Facebook, and sa iba-iba ko pang account on my social media nga, virtually creating friends, linking with new people, and trying to get a new love. Parang may pagka-desperate. Pero hindi naman din masama. It's just really funny, right? It's 12:25 noon right now here in the Philippines. It's supposed to be my Eat Bulaga Day. So anyways, I just want to say hi to the Eat Bulaga team. Nakiisa naman ako dun sa Uncle Jun ko kasi ang alam ko, they are the organizers here in our village. So I followed him. Sabi kasi maglagay daw ng curtain. So naglagay ako ng per person, dapat may curtain na isi-symbolize ka. So nilabas ko yung mga curtains ko. I put 3 curtains outside dun sa gate namin. Though guys, I'm so sorry. Ang pangit na talaga ng house. Pero the description of our house, it's like a ranch. Para talaga siyang rancho. Kaso, it's really a barren space and garden right now. Parang tiwangwang na talaga siya. So ayan, naglagay ako ng 3 curtains and my Uncle Didi gumawa ng malaking, it's not a tarpaulin. Kasi yung tarpaulin yung piniprint out sa computer. Malaking signboard na, "Welcome, Bossing, Eat Bulaga Team de Ocampo." Yun. And then, may mga numbers na binigay. Yung sa akin na number kasi starting from 154, 155, 156, and 157. So, name ng lola, name ko, name ng Uncle Didi and Uncle Jun. So, 4 entries. And then, sabi naman nung Aunt Karen ko, binigyan sila ni Chian. Kasi sila yung mga organizers in barangay eh. Hindi pa kami in-special dahil kami naman yung kamag-anak, di ba? Dapat may flow na ganun, something like that. And then I texted my Uncle Jun. Ang sabi ko, since we're having problem right now sa money and we're very transparent about it, kahit naman kasi may pinag-aralan ka, it's a reality bites. Like on my previous video, hindi natin naiiwasan eh. Alam mo yung reality bites, kinagat ka ng katotohanan ng buhay. So, you just need to flow and accept the fact na you need to do something for your life kung paano ka ulit magpa-progress. So sabi ko, why not? Why not na matry kong mag-join nga ng, though talagang para kang hikahos dun sa money na makukuha mo sa Itbulaga. And so what? At least naman, di ba? At least nag-join ka as part of that TV show here in the Philippines. It's really a famous noontime TV show here in the Philippines. So yun nga, sabi ko kay Uncle Jun, alam mo Uncle Jun, ang alam ko, konsyaba na yan eh. Once you put a curtain, it symbolizes na yun yung papasuking house. Yun yung suggestion ko. And alam ko, ganun yung flow. Anyways, and sinabi sa akin na tawag daw yung number ko. I went there. Since ang alam ko, there are the organizers here in the village, si Tita Mean. So parang hindi niya ako inasikaso na parang nangangapa ako doon na para akong tanga. Sabi ko, paano ba mag-claim ng number? Sabi niya, parang tinataboy niya ako and ini-ignore niya ako. So I feel bad. So I went back home. Well, anyways, nakigulo naman ako today. Nakijoin talaga ako. I have my own piece of art, yung craft ko, na mapakita kong thank you so much Itbulaga for visiting us here in the village. Happy birthday. Belated happy birthday to Bossing or Daddy Vic, and happy birthday to all of us. No, sana talagang, yeah, it's just really a celebration kapag you're part of the Filipino family as well. Though, for the new people, for the new friends, so ganito na lang siguro yung gagawin ko for the Caviteños and Caviteñas. Meron kasi akong different background before. I also dreamed to be an artist. Just recently and before then, kasi I am supposed to be a doctor. Akala ko talaga magiging doctor ako. Ala, ang haba ng kwento. And I have a different nickname right now. Before, ang tawag kasi sa akin mga friends ko, Pai. Pai. And pasensya na nasa floor na kasi talaga ako umupo. Nasa sahig lang ako. Ngayon, mas malamig daw kasi pag nasa sahig ka and then yung electric fan, tutok mo lang sa'yo, mas chill yung dating. So yun nga, Pai pa yung nickname ko before. And from the past years, recently ang sobrang haba na, um, I'm introducing myself as Peachy. For some reason na, alam mo yung mga tipong classic story na, hindi na siya si Pai. She's a different person now. Pero, andito pa rin yung memory mo ng pagiging ikaw eh. 'Di ba? Ang buhay kasi, it's like a wheel. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. You don't know eh. Life is a big surprise for you sometimes. You cannot just control your fate, but you can do something. 'Di ba? Kaya nga, I try to take a chance na magkaroon ng exposure doon. Pero kung yung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, hindi sila ganun ka-supportive or they're not welcoming you na maging part ng isang organization, so parang mahirap din maging successful. Anyways, ako kasi matampuhin. Kung hindi naman ako tinanggap, I will just stay quiet and will just leave them alone. If you don't like me, then it's fine. I will just respect that. So yun. So it's the day of the Itbulaga. Of course, hindi naman tayo nakikipagplastikan. I am really after for the money, supposed to be. I'm after for the prize na makukuha. And well, that's life. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and you just need to take a risk, right? Pero sa love, when it comes to love, hindi ako ganon. You can call me a sigurista. Sigurista, or I really just want to make sure if I have a relationship with someone, I want to make sure that it's really sure, 100%, that you give me your full answer. Kung if it's yes, yes. If it's no, no. So yun yung point of view ko when it comes to love. It's a lunchtime coffee. Hay nako. Yun lang. So wala pa ring wifi. Natapos na yung gulo sa Salitran. But still, I'm here chilling. Not naman necessarily natapos na, pero at least na-vent out ko yung emotion ko and my point of view on my first video. So right now, I'm resting. It's so sad. I can't play a background music because I'm using data. And I'm just resting here for a while and hoping to get a good chance in life, to have a better life. Like what I said a while ago, I wanted to be an artist, kaso wala akong chance. I really wanted to be an artist. Nung hindi na ako magko-work from the past days and years of my life, sabi ko, oh God, what's happening? What's happening? What will be my future? What will be my calling? And I tried getting a love life virtually. Until now, I can't get a lock. I don't know what's wrong with me. Sometimes I'm asking myself and I'm asking God, why? Please help me. Hindi ako naging masama. I used to be a choir member in the Church of Christ before. Pero like what I said, life is not perfect. May mga heartaches din ako sa mga old churchmates ko. So I switched to Roman Catholic now. I am proudly announcing that I am a Roman Catholic, pero hindi pa ako naka-vow. I'm not yet taking a pledge to be a certified and confirmed Roman Catholic, but it's my choice. It's in my heart to switch on a different religion. And I know it will be a big issue in the family, but I'm just giving them the awakening mind na it doesn't mean na I'm no longer part of the Church of Christ, na hindi na ako magiging part ng family na to. For me, it's really unfair because for me, a religion is just like an organization. You just need to find a particular organization that you would fit in, that you would be happy being with them. So for me, a religion is an organization. Pare-pareho. They all have same aim to praise God, of course, to ask for forgiveness, and we all have one God. You just need to find the right organization for you. So I just don't want yung mga judgmental na tao. So, yun nga, it's supposed to be an Itbulaga day here. Akala ko mapupuntahan ako dito sa house. Hi, yun lang. For the organizers there here in the St. Anthony, sana maging totoo lang tayo. Alam ko, a lot of them hate me. They hate me so much. I don't know for an unknown reason, ang daming plastic. But I just really want you to know, guys, na kilala niyo naman ako ever since, kahit ng time na spoiled ako dito. And ganun talaga yung life, up and down. And right now, we're really having a financial problem. That's why I'm opening and sharing myself na I wanted to be an artist if given a chance. Nang maganda yung chance talaga na tipong someone can lift me up. Someone can lift me up. But choosing love or choosing a man in my life, I wanted love. I wanted to find love. I wanted to find love and actually make crush ako virtually on a YouTube. So, but I don't know if I can be famous here, but I just want to say hi, Pilot Garrett. Ang dami kong crushes sa Cedric Lorenzen. Si Cedric Lorenzen, I think I've met him before. Hindi ko alam kung ka-village mate ko, pero mas super crush ko talaga si Pilot Garrett. And I found someone naman na may tattoo, cute fat face. So, you've met a lot of beautiful faces. You've seen a lot of beautiful faces on YouTube. So, yun. Yun lang yung akin. I really wanted to be an artist. It's because of the money. Given a chance talaga. Pero ayoko kasing mag-start ng, kasi pag nag-start ka na dun sa showbiz, it's really good to have a good start. A good break. Alam mo ba yun? It's really a chance for you to shine. Kailangan makapag-deal ka na ng isang magandang contract. Isang magandang deal na hindi ka magmumukhang tanga, but you can have your crown na, yeah, I'm a certified and confirmed artist. And alam ko na I have a crew. It's just really a dream for me. Kasi being an artist, it's a self-expression. It's a job. And I'm having trouble here to find a job. So, that's why I'm asking God, what is my calling? Sana ibigay mo na sa akin kung ano yung calling ko. Kung maging artist ba, please give me a chance to have a good presentation. Kapag dumating yung time na pwede na akong maging artista, if that's really my calling, I will embrace it. I will accept that 100%. Yeah, it's also a way to get someone from YouTube. Kasi kung sikat ka, if you're a star, nobody can say no to you. Even if you're a woman, you can just really propose to a man that, hey, I like you. It's so easy for you because you are glowing, you are a star. So that's my point of view.